Hi guys, welcome to another Barb Stamps video. I'm very excited to announce my May Create Where You Are class to go. It's going to be using the Flowers of Friendship bundle, which is this amazing stamp set and coordinating flower punch. I love flower punches, and I think I have purchased every single flower punch that Stampin' Up! Has ever sold. So I was really excited to see this bundle. Now, those of you that may be demonstrators may have known that I did a presentation for the on-tour events that happened in April, and I did use this bundle, so I have already shared a lot of tips with you guys. But if you're not a demonstrator and you didn't see my presentation, you will want to get this class because I've got a lot of tips and tricks for you in it using this bundle. All right, so you will need the bundle to create the projects as I have designed them for the class. In your class kit, you will receive half a package of the Sweet Symmetry Designer Series paper. When I saw this paper, I knew that I had to use it for this class because the patterns are so fun and bright and springy, just like the stamp set. So as you can see here, there are 12 different patterns, of course, in the package, and you will get a half of this package. For those of you that know, I used to sell, or I have sold in the past, these Designer Series paper sampler chart kits. I am sold out, but if you do want to print your own, I have the link in the description of this video where you can get my file to print your own charts on white cardstock. And then I have pictures included of the way I have set up all of my charts. You can get that in the description below for $5. All right, along with the half a pack of Designer Series paper, you'll also get a package of our new Silver and Clear Epoxy Essentials. And that's just exactly what they are. There's a set of clear and a set of the silver in circles, diamonds, and like teardrop, raindrop. You will also get a half a roll of our Just Jade and gold ribbon and our Flirty Flamingo gold ribbon. So these ribbons are beautiful, and they just go with this. Everything I've got here is just wonderful. All right, so you can buy the kit itself for $45. There's a link in the description. You can add this bundle to your class if you desire. You can also add 2 sets of Stampin' Blends markers if you want. These just happen to be some of our new colors. So you have the option to add the bundle for $46.75. And you can also add a set, 2 sets of Stampin' Blends markers for $21. Everything is in the description below this video. So let me get on with the card for the day. That uses my favorite stamp set in the new catalog, which is the Flowers of Friendship. I kind of got a little spoiled with this stamp set because I did a little presentation for On Tour. If you guys are a demonstrator, you might know this. I did a really, actually amazing presentation during the On Tour events in April, and I just love this stamp set, and I keep using it. So we're going to use it again. So we're going to use some Just Jade card base. We are also going to bring in the amazing stitched greenery die, even though I don't have the die, but, oh, I probably could have. That would have been a good idea. I didn't think about that. Oh, here we go. So we're going to use this die. This is the stitched greenery. It is a large die. It will do like a full quarter sheet of cardstock, and it just gives us great stitched leaves and vines and all that good stuff. It's really fun. So I went ahead and I ran a couple pieces through the machine. Let's see, I better measure these because I don't remember what they are. This one here is 2 by 4, and this one I think is 3/4 by 4. So you could actually do like a 2 3/4 inch by 4 piece and then just cut 3/4 inch off. That would probably be the best way to go about it. But clearly I did not do that because I was not thinking. Okay, glue. And since this is a little bit stitched, embossed, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to go ahead and use my glue. And I'm going to bring my scratch paper back in because it has grid lines, and I'm going to use it to help me line this up. So this is what I like to do. I like to take my grid paper and line it up against the lines. So I've got it at the side and the top here. And I'm just going to pick a spot where I want this to go. And I'm just going to pick this dark line right here. I mean, there's no rhyme or reason to it. That's just what I'm going to pick. So I'm going to start laying my piece down, and then I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm going to kind of eyeball that so that they're both about at the same level. Oh, Vicky said she received her first In Color Club today. Oh, Vicky, you are so welcome. Yes, you guys, I do an In Color Club every year, and you can always sign up. I take new members all the time. There's a link in the description of this video if you want to sign up or if you want to check it out. You get one package of colors each month for 5 months, and so it kind of is a nice way to get your in colors without breaking the bank, as they say. Okay, so now we have that on there, so that's nice and even and straight, just the way I like it. And then we're going to bring in some pieces for some stamping. So this white piece is, what is this, 2.5 by I think 4. Yes, 2.5 by 4, and this is probably 2 5/8 by 4 1/8, and this is Flirty Flamingo. So we're going to stamp on the layer of white. So we're going to bring that back in. We're going to bring in our large, I call this a flower bouquet. And we're going to mask this off. You can use Post-it notes or tape. Sometimes I use Post-its, sometimes I use tape. I don't see my Post-its, but I see my tape. So I'm just going to add some tape here. Tape. And I want to make sure that I'm not covering the stems or the, I'm not covering the stems. That's what I'm trying to say, and I'm not saying it very well. So I just want to cover the blossom, basically. Okay, so I'm just going to end up having the 3 stems and then the leaves. And I need my memento. Here we go. And I'm going to ink this up. Then the most important step, you guys, is to remove the tape or the Post-its or whatever you used and throw them in the trash. Don't pass go, don't collect $200, go immediately to the trash. And then we're going to stamp this kind of near the bottom. About like that. There we go. Okay, so we are done with the black. And I have a cute little sentiment. We have a new like mini sentiment set in the catalog, and there's a lot of really nice, very small, you can see how small these are, very small sentiments. But I've got a little spot right there, and I'm going to put my sentiment in there. So this one I picked says, "Sending you this paper hug," which I thought was a really nice sentiment. So we're going to ink that up in some Just Jade. And we're just going to stamp that right down here. Actually, I'm going to stamp it on my scratch paper first to make sure it's straight. And yes, it is. I was a little heavy-handed there. How heavy-handed do I need to be? Not very. Okay. Yeah, that's a tiny bit crooked. We're going to pretend it's not. My ADD can't handle that. No, I don't think I really have ADD. I just... I like things a certain way. I'm not sure what you call that. Anal, which that just sounds bad, but it is what it is. Okay, so then we're going to bring in some scraps of pink, the Flirty Flamingo. Oh, I need the black again. I just said I don't need the black anymore, and here I am needing the black, and now I can't find it. Oh, here it is. It's out of the frame. Okay, so we're stamping a large flower, and you'll notice I'm stamping it like a plus sign because the punch... The large flower is oriented like a plus sign, and then the small flower is oriented like an X. So we're going to punch this out like that. Get all the bits out of the way. And then what I like to do with these, because now I'm going to create a flower up here, and I'm going to create a flower. I'm going to a different look to the flower, not this same one. I'm going to put the petals together and create something a little bit different. It's actually going to look more like the petals that are on the stamp that I covered up, but I wanted it to look like this. Why? I don't know. Just because. Someone said, "Happy your eye surgery went." Oh, thanks, Tana. Yes, it did. I can see now. I'm super excited about it. And when I get my new glasses, boy, there's going to be no stopping me. Everybody better just watch out, because I'm going to be able to see like nobody, you won't be able to believe it. I'm going to actually snip off that little point. And then, oh, we're going to need an adhesive eraser here in a moment. Okay. Remind me that I have that stupid spot there that I just messed up. Okay, so I'm going to kind of put that off to the side a little bit. I am going to snip this off. So this is more of like, this is a little bit of a putsy card. If you don't have time to be putsy, then you should just, you can still mask it off just like I did, and then just stamp your flower, punch it out, and stick it on there. But we have some time. We're just a bunch of friends here hanging out, doing some stamping. And so we're just going to take a little bit of this time and we're going to be a little putsy. Because sometimes, you know, it's kind of fun. So then this one, I'm just going to stick right in the middle. Like that. So fun. Okay, so I already did this same thing with, ooh, Tana said she went to Glacier Park yesterday. Oh, you're so lucky. You're in Kalispell, so you're pretty close to Swan Lake, Tana. That's where we go every year for vacation. It's just past Big Fork. So if you went to Big Fork from Kalispell, you can get to Swan Lake. It's about 15 miles from Big Fork. It's an amazing place. So I already cut these out. I punched them, did the exact same thing. And we're going to add these little gems to our, we're going to do the same thing. So we'll put one kind of cockeyed a little bit. We'll put the second one a little bit cockeyed, and then the middle one we'll put kind of straight up in the air. So we're going to putsy around here for a little while longer. There. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we don't want to cover up the leaf, so we'll be mindful that there's a leaf there. Did we get snow today? No, but Kalispell might have. Tana, did you guys get snow up there? I heard they were supposed to get some crappy weather up there in Montana today, like feet of snow, which is, it's almost June for crying out loud. I mean, yeah, we live in a place where we get snow, but not that much. And Tana actually lives pretty close to me. She lives in Worland, Wyoming, so I guess not pretty close, but close enough. You know, closer than some of you probably. All right, here's our last one. We're going to go ahead and stick that on. Ooh, so fun. Okay, so remember we have glue there. Barb, remind myself, there's glue. So while the glue is drying, I'm going to bring in my Just Jade blends, and I'm going to add some color to these these leaves. Now I could have, you know, stamped the leaves and punched them out, but I decided just to have that mostly focused on the flowers, to have that little bit of 3D action going on there. And there we go. You know what's kind of funny? I almost feel like I can see really well, but I feel like I can't see. Well, I mean, I still need glasses for this vision here, so that's probably why. Even though my eye is fixed, the distance problem, you know. And this is just like the too close. I can see perfectly like computer distance, like 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from my eyes. Yeah. Okay. So then, let's see, is this dry? Yeah, I think it is. So I'm going to bring in my adhesive eraser. This is something that's included in my adhesive kit. A little adhesive eraser. And if you just kind of rub your adhesive, it will come off. It kind of gets rolled up on this piece of whatever this stuff's made out of. And it's gone. So yay. All right. So let's go ahead and add this to our layer of Flirty Flamingo. Did someone say there's power outages in Kalispell? Snow is in Montana and Cody, Wyoming. Ugh, barf. Cody is just over the mountain for me, so I guess it's possible. It looks pretty crappy outside. I mean, I have a window here in my stamp room. It does have like a plastic cover over it so that, you know, weeds and leaves don't get in the window well. But I can tell when it's crappy outside, and it looks crappy outside. Okay, so then here's a little trick that I discovered with these little silver and clear epoxy essentials. Most of the time a person wants to use the circles. I get it. I like circles too, but you get diamonds and teardrop shapes with these. So here's a little trick for your teardrop shapes with these flowers. Let us pull off a teardrop shape. You're going to put it so that the point goes up. Okay. So you put the rounded part at the bottom of the flower and have the little point go up to the center of the flower. I just thought that looked pretty cool. And so that's what we're going to do. And that gives you a way to use these, because I don't know, you know, sometimes you just want to use the same thing that you always use, the circles. But these, isn't that cool? How they just kind of point up. Yay. Okay, so we have this that we're going to add to the card. We're going to use dimensionals. I think we're just about done with this sheet. Oh, we're probably not going to finish it tonight, but I'll finish it before I'm live again. With the umbrellas. Oh, yes. Good plan, Patty. Oh, okay. I probably didn't need 5. This is probably overkill, but oh, I still have a piece left on there. Oh, I can't do it. I'll use it the next time I make a card. Okay, so then we're going to layer this over our little greenery pieces. Try to get it so it's even. I think that's pretty even. And then the last thing I want to do is, I was so excited when this ribbon was in our annual catalog last year and they carried it over. And I was so excited because I love this gingham Just Jade ribbon. Now it comes as a pack of 3. You get the white and the gingham ribbon, and then this is like Misty Moonlight mixed with white and then wrapped with silver strands. Super cool. So I tied a bow with my Just Jade, and here it is. Yay, the bow. So I'm going to add that with some glue dots to the card, and then it will be done. And I have to say, I really, 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 really like this card. Where do we want to put this? Like right here? We could put it right there. Snip off the ends of this just a little bit. Ooh, there we go. Isn't that fun? And those teardrops are just perfect for that. I love it.